to show you guys how I'm using 1mm Dermaroller in 2021, still update. And I'm always keep updating my technique and recommendations and tips. Right now, I just finished filming YouTube video how I actually prepare my skin for microneedling session. This is very, very, very important. Go back to my last video and watch the video. This is part 2. So we're going straight away to microneedling. I have already done everything to my skin. It's prep and ready. So go watch the video if you don't know how to do that. So I'm starting right away on the forehead, going 3 times and horizontal. I feel it. I don't have numbing cream, as I told you, 3 times, and I'm gonna go vertically 3 times. I'm not applying much of the pressure. This is advanced way. So for forehead, I was always telling you not to use 1mm Dermaroller. You can use it, but don't push it. Don't pressure it at all, at all, at all, at all. Gently. So basically, if you will be pushing, that's not good because we don't have much fat on or muscle on the forehead. But I already did, I think, more than 3 times. So let's jump and let's do my lips. By the way, my lips, I'm using this Tarte Maneater. Oh my God, makes your lips so plump. Look at this. I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm doing 3 times, no pressuring. You know, all the time people say you have to use Dermaroller like a lot of times, very often, push a lot, have a blood, see, you know, bleeding and stuff like this. That's not actually true. You don't have to do that. You could. Does it give you like better results? Absolutely not. I'm going up right now. I'm pushing a little bit more than on the forehead. I basically didn't push on the forehead at all, but I am going and doing. You can see a little bit redness. You see on this cheek a little bit more redness than on this, but right now I'm in my studio, so lights are kind of bright, so maybe you don't see that much, but right now. And what you want to do, guys, you always want to lift. You slide it up and you lift. Slide, roll it, and lift. Maybe word roll is better than slide. Lift. Lift. Pressure like you will be shaving your legs. Like this. Boom. 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 See? My cheek is getting red, but I'm not bleeding. I do the same thing to the other cheek. So I'm gonna go, always wanna do outside, outside, up, or horizontally, horizontally, horizontally. Never wanna go down and never wanna go in. That's lymphatic flow, what we have in our face. This is more like, you know, Eastern Chinese way of chi flow. In our face is like energy and lymphatic flow, which is a real thing. And so and of course with 1mm you will never do lips, so don't tell me, Chin, you are wearing lip gloss. Yeah, I'm wearing lip gloss, but I'm not touching my lips at all. This is more for the jowls. Great size. Really, really great size to lift your jowls and plump those cheeks, because, you know, at this age, I'm 35 right now, I notice my cheeks start to be really saggy, so I pay a little bit more attention to my cheeks, and I've been dermarolling for a while now, that cheek. So I'm going up. You don't want to go close to the eye, because around the eye, you need a different size. This is way too big for your eyes. I'm just rolling where I need a little bit more love, which is my jowls, and I'm going here to nasal label folds, marionette lines, and I'm going to the chin, basically like this. And then like this. I really love my big lips. That thing. So this area around lips is a little bit sensitive and more painful. But I'm like, you know what? Beauty requires a little bit of pain. It's fine. And here is the most painful place in your entire face. So be careful, be gentle. And the nose. I'm going very gentle. And 11 lines. You can spend more time on the areas where you have more wrinkles, more like you need more love for that face part, you know, for that part of the face. So for example, for me, I want to lift my brows and I'm going like this. Not really much arcing, like don't doing like arch, you know, but I'm just like straight. I'm gonna do 10 times. So I did like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I did the same. Oh, you might gonna sneeze. This is not comfortable. I'm doing 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm giving a little bit extra love on these parts that I need to. So for example, my jowls, saggy jowls is my weak part where I have the most. Here, I don't like that, you see? So what I'm doing, I'm just extra like roll and pressure. You see guys that I'm pressuring like, yes, 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 I'm pressuring, you see? A little bit of blood coming out and that's okay. Don't be scared, it's all okay. Okay, you see? Tiny dots of blood, that's fine. This cheek is more stubborn, it's not happening anything. No blood. Alright, so that's it. The Dermaroller session is done. I'm getting Genumber Beauty Soothing Smoothing Skin Superfood Sheet Mask. The only sheet mask that doesn't have any kind of fragrances, perfumes, parabens, silicones, and these plant-based, beautiful natural ingredients. Really affordable. Getting the mask on my face. This is really like superfoods, like a vitamin supplements for your skin after microneedling. It's really great. And how do I open this? Okay, I found it. And I'm just taking that mask and applying on my face. And that's it. And my microneedling session is done. The results will be incredible. Using 1mm Dermaroller is basically facelift, jowl lift where I focus, wrinkles. You're gonna have a smooth and nicer skin. If you have a hyperpigmentation, that's gonna work as well. It's really great holistic way to keep your skin, you know, healthy and youthful. And that's really, I think that's most affordable way to have your skin, you know, reverse or postpone aging. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave me down below in the comment section. I'm gonna be happy to answer. I'm answering all the questions. Dermaroller 0. Oh, I'm a little bit out of focus. Dermaroller 1mm Dermaroller is really great way to lift your cheeks, to lift your jowls, to lift your entire face. Thank you so much for watching. This was Real Individual Needle Dermaroller from jenamber.com. All the information where to buy all the products is going to be down below in the description box. Thank you, bye. And I just want to deliver this message for you guys. You're loved, you're enough. You're not scared, you're here. I love you, I support you, I'm here for you. If you need anything, reach out to me on Instagram, JenamberX. I love you, bye.